Those whom God has joined together, let no one put aside. You may now kiss your bride. Today you are embarking on a new journey. This is a journey no two have traveled before you. It is unique to you. It is up to you to make the most of your life together. Dream big dreams, love like there is no tomorrow, and become the best people you know how to be. And now, to all the family and friends who have come to celebrate this marriage, I would like to present, for the first time anywhere, Mr. and Mrs. Cummings.
Here comes the sun, I say, it's all